What, you bringing your kid to court because you know you're gonna go to jail?
No, Your Honor.
Don't play games with me.
But I'm not a thief.
Oh, okay. Have a seat in the back, speak up again, you're getting 30 more days, I promise you, that's not a threat, it's a promise.
Bro, I don't give a fuck.
Good, come here, contempt of court, bring him up.
No, bro.
You're-
You don't mind get out of it. You got fuck on my system. Oh my man. Stop. Go away.
All right.
Fuck with me.
All right.
Court Uncut. What the people want.
Regular Carmen, 37384 on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
Your name?
That area is
Right
Your
there.
Honor.
What, you bringing your kid to court because you know you're gonna go to jail?
No, Your Honor.
Don't play games with me.
I'm not playing.
Don't play games with me. I don't want people playing games with me.
I don't play any type of.
Listen. You better call somebody and have them come and get that child. You understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Now. And then we're gonna call the case. What I'm gonna do, I'm not quite sure. But I've seen this little trick before. I mean, I didn't just get here 2 months ago, okay? We'll call somebody, get the child. Hopefully 716-3361. Are you guys here on this case, victims? No? Okay.
They're not.
All right, Mr. Carmen, your name?
Mike Blake Carmen, 37384 on behalf of the defendant.
Mr. Bryant, come on to the podium, state your name. According to you, you're, I want to ask again. Let's just double check with Mr. Timberly Dennis, Durrell Lee, Margarita Bruno Hayward, Joseph Matthews. Are any of those individuals, bring Mr. Mohammed? Yes. Any of those individuals in here today? All right, it does not appear as though they're on Zoom. They did not step forward on the case when called. Mr. Carmen, why don't you and your client approach the podium, please, and then tell me whether or not there's any material additions, corrections, or deletions.
Your Honor, as far as his employment status, he, since January of 2024, has been working at Cosmic Comics, both in Livonia and Fraser. Both locations earned $340 a week. They'll lose that job if he has to go to jail. He has been living in Romulus with his girlfriend. They've been together since 2019. They have 2 children together, ages 1 and 7 months. He just made arrangements for her to pick up the 7-month-old. Your Honor, he's not been incarcerated in several years. He does have a pending matter in Wayne County that's set for sentencing next Monday.
Mr. Mohammed, your name?
Good morning, Your Honor. Mohammed on behalf of the people.
You wrote down full restitution on this. I just want you to be aware, this is the B&E vehicle to steal property, 200 or more. I just want you to be aware that none of the victims are here, or less than 200, I'm sorry. This, he pled the count. Count 2 was dismissed, he pled. Lisa, just confirm that my understanding is correct. It looks like he pled guilty to count 1, which is the 1 year. And count 2 was dismissed. Is that true?
That's correct.
So I just want you to be aware of that.
Yeah, and Judge, I apologize. Which case is this?
This is Tri-Areas Travantity 1. It's a B&E vehicle to steal property, 200 or more, but less than 1,000. It's a 1 year. So I just want you to be aware. I called the names. You're not here. You just put down PSI full restitution. And none of them show, so I'm not gonna order any restitution out.
And Judge, may I ask, does the court send notices to them or?
Yeah, we did send those.
Okay.
The probation department did when I ordered the pre-sentence report.
So,
Okay,
I understand, Judge. Thank you.
all right. Anything else, Mr. Carmen?
Yeah, this is my client, As you know, the care and custody of two young children, with this girlfriend that he lives with. If he's gotta go to jail, it's gonna be very hard on our young family.
You should think about these things before we go out and steal. I mean, seriously,
I understand.
I don't know if you do or not. I find it a little hard to believe. I mean, you could sit and give me lip service, but you had a RNC motor vehicle. In 2021, you had a domestic. Where you didn't comply with probation in 22. Conviction was entered on that. You had a retail fraud. 23, we're just convicted of felony retail theft. In Illinois, we have another case, you're bound over to the 33rd, I'm sorry, bound over from here, stealing or retaining without consent a financial transaction device. If that's the case he's going to be sentenced on?
Yes, Your Honor, and there's a sentencing agreement in that case of 2 years probation.
I mean, that's great.
Letting just informing the court.
No, I get it. I'm just telling you, he's got it, bench warrants out of the 34th for assault and battery. Bench warrant out of the 52nd for retail fraud 3. A bench warrant for retail fraud 3 out of Southgate. Retail fraud bench warrant out of the 16th. You up on any of those?
Yes, Your Honor.
When?
I've been taking care of the warrants since I've been out, Your Honor, and
Lisa, can you run his lien again for me, please? This lien
Sure.
is a few days old. Let me just double check.
And my client indicated he's contacted those courts.
You contact,
yes, Your
what
Honor.
do you mean?
I contacted those courts and they told me that I have to turn myself in and schedule it.
Well, you haven't taken care of the warrants then, have you?
No, I have been taking care of some of the warrants, Your Honor.
I'm sorry?
I have been taking care of a
All
number.
right, I'm gonna just check with her and see. Now you're breaking into cars. I mean, I don't know what to tell you. You've been unemployed and then you were working at Fast Splash Car Wash. You collected money on a bridge card. You need to go back and get a GED or a diploma. You need to work harder. I don't know why you're not working. You need to work. That's your decision though. But to go out and support a family by feeding all the time is not the answer.
Your Honor, he is working, and I updated the court on that.
I know you did, but still, this report was just done, right? This report was just, let me just double check this. I ordered the pre-sentence report on March 25th. I'm just telling you that they reported then that he was unemployed for the past 8 months. Why were you unemployed for the 8 months preceding that report?
I wasn't unemployed, Your Honor. I was just helping my baby mother going through the postpartum and dealing with the kids. I was still working,
Well, you told them you were unemployed. Reports being unemployed for the past 8 months.
and I don't know why I put that, and I shouldn't have put that. I've been working since January 2024.
All right. Lisa, you don't see any of those other warrants. I think you just answered my question. You don't see any other warrants cleared out of the locations I just mentioned, right?
I'm just running it right now. Give me 1 second.
Sure, take your time.
No, I don't see any other warrants.
You don't see what?
I don't see any other warrants.
Well, I'm just saying, see the lien in here, but probation reported open warrants issued the 37th District Court, 16th, the 28th, the 34th, and the 52-3 District Court. Do you see any of those warrants on this lien now?
No, I just ran it and I do not see any warrants.
Good. All right, well, anything else?
Nothing, Your Honor.
He did not spend any time in jail on this, correct?
No.
Where's the child now?
She's going around.
I'm sorry,
She's going around.
was the mother of the child here?
No, she wasn't here. Someone else came and picked her up.
You're supposed to mean like you become a professional thief. 200 fines, 400 costs, 75 victims' rights, $50 justice assessment, 7.25, and 40 days jail. You'll serve 325 more if you don't pay your fines and costs. I'll let you pay those at the rate of $75 per month. And I will let that start beginning on June the 15th. If you don't have the money at any point, you call the court. I'll be happy to give you an extension. You have 21 days to appeal, 14 days to apply for the court. Good luck to you. I wish you well.
That's fine.
Thank you. I'm not gonna put up with you yelling and screaming back there anymore. If I have to call you out here again, I'm gonna give you 30 days for contempt on top of the time that I just gave. 30. You don't get to act like that. I hope you clearly and fully understand me. If you don't, I'm gonna have you out. Because I would hear you again. And then I'm gonna lock you up for 30 days. And we're gonna do this all day long. You're not gonna make a scene here in the courtroom. That sentencing, if anything, was too light. I'm not playing with you,
How is it too late?
Mr.
I have a judge that I gotta go to felony court. This is district court. I got sentencing on felony court.
Knock it off. Knock it off. And go tell them. You have 5 or 6 felony, you have 5 or 6 theft offenses, you're breaking into people's cars. Just think you could make a living by being a thief?
But I'm not a thief.
Oh, okay. Have a seat in the back, speak up again, you're getting 30 more days, I promise you, that's not a threat, it's a promise.
Bro, I don't give a fuck.
Good, come here, contempt of court, bring them up.
No, bro.
You're gonna send another.
You're gonna get. I got people saying, you know, I don't care. You know, not the moon, kill me. People stop for kill me, bro. Be on run over flat. Run this shit off. At all. At all. So I got surgery on Monday now. You got fuck on my shit. I'm 50. Oh my man. Stop. Fuck over me, bro.
All right. Settle down.
You off, man.
Go down.
No, you're gonna get taken, bro. Taste me, Jimmy. Taste me.
We don't want it. We don't.
Taste me.
Stop resisting.
Like I got kids that I gotta raise by myself.
You ain't making it any better.
You keep making it seem like I'm just a thief. I got proof. I don't see what you're doing.
Knock
I
it
got
off.
proof.
Knock it
Making it
off.
worse.
Knock it off.
Hey, listen to me.
Right.
Look at this. You're making it twice as bad.
Mr. Bryant, go back in the back. I'm gonna let bygones be bygones, except for the initial jail term. One more word and I'm telling you, you're doing 30 more days.
How many days?
Enough. Enough. Just control yourself.
Okay.
Stop stealing.
Yo, it's like already. Yeah, bro. Go left side, go the other side. It's real good problems out here, in real life, bro. And y'all just be locking the fuck up for no reason. I never understood that, bro. But a woman come anything, bro. Don't let her go. She be good. A woman be good, bro. A woman be good, bro.
What do you know? I understand.
I got one ready.
Bring it up, Jerry.
Who did he do that to you, right?
No, I know they did that, you're right.
I didn't hit him, Judge. I didn't hit the cops.
Oh,
Jody, stand up here, Judge.
I'll make it too.
Standing in for our old friend.
People against Baker,
Make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss crazy courtroom moments like this one.